Hi there, hope you're well. My name is Malcolm. I'm one of the SEO specialists at Pearl Lemon. So what I'm going to do in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can do your own keyword research for your business, whether it be website or blog, using Ahrefs free SEO tool. So I'm just going to jump straight in there. So the first step that you want to do is you want to go to href/forward free SEO tools, and then it's going to open this page that I have right now. After that, you're going to want to take your or use the keyword that you would like to rank for. Like for example, let's say you're a web designer, you would then put web designer here, as we will use the example for web design. So let me just quickly type in web designer right in there. Got it? Great. Then you click on start. That is going to take you here. So here you can choose the different search engine, which means Google, Bing, YouTube, Amazon, that you would like to crawl. Like for example, for today we're going to use Google, and our keyword has been taken over, and we're going to choose the location. Here is what we're going to do that. For me, I'm in South Africa, so I want to type in South Africa right here. Okay, there we go. South Africa, great stuff. Then we click on find keywords. Then Ahrefs is going to do all the hard work for us. And we just want to verify we're human, because we are. Okay, so here is another sheet. So what you're looking at right here is, this is a search out of 100 and out of 3,100 keywords that you see here. Okay, and right after that it's phrase match. So for example, our first example that's here is the keyword that we initially used when we were searching for keywords. So it's web designer, and right here this is called a keyword difficulty. For example, this is just an estimate on how difficult it is to be ranking high on search engines such as Google for this specific keyword. And if you look to your right a little bit more, you'd see there, this is the volume. This is practically how many people are looking for this specific keyword a day or intended time. So we see here in South Africa around 600 people, and this was last updated on the 14th of October. So all of these are various ideas of keywords that you could be ranking, you could target. So these are just ideas, things that you should also, keywords that you should also include on your blog post or your website page. So next thing is really important is questions. Google is a search engine that intends to answer people's questions. Like for example, this would be all of these would be great topics for your FAQ on your homepage. So just the tip there. All right, so as you can see here, just a recommendation, this would be a too high of a keyword difficulty if you're a fairly new website. So if you're a new website, you typically would want to rank for much less keyword difficulty keywords. Like for example, this 19. Anything less than 19 will be great. So that's just a quick demonstration on how you can do keyword research using Ahrefs free tools. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at pearllemon.com, and we'll be happy to answer any questions that you have.